Hello guys, today we are working in ScratchJr. I'm gonna show you how to make very simple game, very easy to do. Let me expand. And the game is guess who is the fastest. So we have a birdie, we have a seahorse, and we have crab, and they're gonna race. The person who plays this game, she or he has to guess who is the fastest. So I guess the birdie will be the fastest. Let me play it. Yay, it looks like birdie is the fastest out here. And we stop it, we go to the next scene, and we have the same situation. They're gonna race, and you have to guess, the person has to guess who is fastest. Airplane, bicycle, or a car? I don't know, maybe a car. Let's play it. No, airplane is the fastest. Okay, let's go to the next scene. Here we have underwater, and we have little fish, whale, and diver, scuba diver. So I guess the whale is the fastest. Yay, I'm so true. Let's stop it, let's go to the next scene. And here we have dog, little rabbit, and a horsey. I think rabbit is the fastest. Let me try it. Oh no, it jumps. The horse is the fastest. Yeah. So that's a game. Let me show you how to do it. We have like a scene. You see, we have 4 of them. Here is all of them collected out here. I will delete one of those. So I'll just click and hold. I will delete it. I will create the empty one. I will move it up. I will delete this fellow. So first of all, I need a backdrop. It's gonna be seashore. So let's get seashore. And I need few animals to raise. I go out here and I find few animals. So I choose a bird. I choose crab. And I choose seahorse, for example. I put them, crab's gonna go on sand, seahorse gonna go in water, and birdie gonna go into the sky. And to make them go different speed, for example, we have a birdie. When green flag clicked, go, here is a go, and we make it forever, it will go forever. But we need to find the speed. So we go out here, and here is a speed. It has 3 options, very slowly, middle, and fast. So our birdie will be the fastest. We put it right behind. We go to the crab and we do the same. You can actually drag and drop. So you take the code and you drop it on a character. We just change it. Crab will be like middle, and seahorse will be slow. I will expand, turn it on, and you see it's working perfect. Very easy and simple game to make for little kids, starting age like 4, 5, 6 sometimes. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. See ya.